You are tuned in to the 5-Minute Signal. I am Aris Sterling, performance research expert. This is not a health podcast. This is your maintenance manual for the body. We don't do hope here, we do reality. 5 minutes on the clock, let's get to work. We begin with the news today. A profound shift in psychiatry and performance medicine has crystallized as we move into the first week of 2026. New research published in Nature Metabolism has mapped what is being called the mind-to-microbiota bridge. For years, we understood that the gut influences the brain. Now we have proof of the reverse. Your neural activity, your stress, your focus, your anxiety can rewrite your gut's microbial landscape in as little as 2 to 4 hours. The study utilized real-time transcriptomic analysis to show that when the brain is under high stress, it sends a direct signal through the vagus nerve that alters the biosynthetic pathways of your gut bacteria, essentially turning off the production of calm-inducing metabolites and ramping up pro-inflammatory markers. This confirms that your microbiome is not a static garden. It is a high-speed command center that mirrors your psychological state in real time. Why does this matter? It matters because it reclassifies the gut as the primary manufacturing plant for your mental hardware. We have known for a while that over 90% of your serotonin and 50% of your dopamine are produced in the gut. But we are now discovering the role of psychobiotics, specific bacterial strains like Bifidobacterium longum and Lacticacea-Bacillus longamus that act as biological modulators for the brain. According to a 2025 meta-analysis in Frontiers in Neurosciences, individuals who terraformed their gut with these specific strains showed a significant reduction in cortisol reactivity during high-pressure performance tasks. You are not born with a certain level of stress resilience, you cultivate it. If your internal microbial landscape is a wasteland of processed sugars and low diversity, you are effectively running your brain on faulty hardware. Here is the hard truth. Most people are blindly feeding a system they don't understand. They take generic probiotics and hope for the best, while simultaneously destroying their microbial diversity with chronic stress, poor sleep, and emulsifier-heavy diets. Nature does not reward hope. It rewards precision. If you are experiencing brain fog, emotional volatility, or a low threshold for stress, the problem likely isn't your mindset. It's your microbial infrastructure. You cannot meditate your way out of a gut-brain axis that is stuck in a pro-inflammatory feedback loop. If you want a resilient mind, you must first build a resilient gut. Anything else is just painting over rust. Let's move to the actionable move. We are implementing the Terraforming protocol to optimize your gut-brain signaling and engineer psychological resilience. Number 1. Diversify the fiber matrix. The control panel of your gut thrives on variety, not quantity. Most people eat the same 5 to 10 plants every week. To build a resilient microbiome, you must hit a baseline of 30 different plant species per week. This isn't just about nutrition, it's about providing the specific prebiotic fuel required for a wide spectrum of neuroactive bacteria to flourish. Treat your grocery list like an engineering requirement. If you aren't rotating your fiber sources, you are narrowing your cognitive potential. Number 2. Eliminate synthetic emulsifiers. Research from The Lancet has recently highlighted how common food additives like polysorbate 80 and carboxylmethylcellulose act as detergents on your gut lining. They strip away the protective mucus layer that prevents bacteria from leaking into your bloodstream and triggering systemic inflammation. If you want to protect your brain, you must protect the barrier. Read your labels. If it contains an emulsifier designed to keep oil and water mixed in a package for 6 months, it is effectively a chemical weapon against your gut-brain axis. Number 3. Implement the polyphenol flush. To suppress the pro-inflammatory bacteria that thrive on stress, you need to flood your system with polyphenols, found in high concentrations in dark berries, green tea, and extra virgin olive oil. These compounds act as selective herbicides in your gut, inhibiting the growth of pathogenic bacteria while stimulating the growth of psychobiotics that support dopamine signaling. Aim for 3 distinct polyphenol hits per day to maintain a protective chemical environment in the colon. I'm Aris Sterling. This has been the 5-Minute Signal. Stay sharp. Disclaimer: The information provided in this podcast is for educational and informational purposes only and is not intended as medical advice. Always consult with a qualified healthcare professional before making any changes to your diet, exercise, or health regimen.